Buckle up. In today's video, I have one hot opportunity to share with you that is seriously heating up. And guys, if you're looking for the hottest opportunity in the market to research, you need to watch this video. Before I begin, do me a favor, be sure to smash that like button. It only takes a few seconds and I really would appreciate it. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new so you don't miss out on future videos. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice, videos only for entertainment purposes. Now, let's get right into it, guys. So the company I'm referring to is called ECD Automotive Design Inc. and you can find this company trading on the NASDAQ under ticker symbol ECDA. Before I break down why I think this company could be on the verge of a potential breakout, do yourself a favor, pause this video and add this one to your watch list. So ECD Automotive Design Inc. is a creator of restored luxury vehicles that combines classic English beauty with modern performance. Currently, ECD restores the Land Rover Defender, Land Rover Series IIA, Range Rover Classic, Jaguar E-Type, Ford Mustang, and the Toyota FJ4060 models. Each vehicle produced by ECD is fully bespoke, a one-of-one that is designed by the client through an immersive luxury design experience and hand-built from the ground up in 2,200 hours by master-certified automotive service excellence craftsmen. The company was founded in 2013 by three British gearheads whose passion for classic vehicles is the driving force behind exceptionally high standards for quality custom luxury vehicles. ECD's global headquarters, known as the Rover Dome, is a 100,000 square foot facility located in Kissimmee, Florida, that is home to 90 talented craftsmen and technicians who hold a combined 61 ASE and 5 master level certifications. So this is a very unique company, but I want to show you guys just how lucrative their business model really is. So take a look at their investor presentation. They have a robust, proven business model with a decade of aggressive growth performance. They have $84 million of lifetime revenue with a revenue CAGR of 17%, that is from 2018 to 2023. Their pricing CAGR is 19%, and they have an industry-leading gross profits of 30%. They also designed for execution with over 500 builds made. All of this was driven with an initial $150,000 investment a decade ago with zero outside capital or credit terms. This is very impressive. I don't think there is a company out there like this that is growing at this pace. Now, in terms of their financials, take a look at this graph. The revenue has exploded since 2018, going from $6.8 million to a projected $33 million in 2024. That is a 30% CAGR. Furthermore, their gross margin is also exploding. It is projected to be 32% in 2024. Now, here's a look at their quarterly revenue. Pay close attention to quarter one of 2023. It came in at $2.7 million, and if you fast forward to quarter one of 2024, that number has jumped to $8.3 million. So they have seen a 207% revenue increase compared to quarter one of 2023. That is amazing performance. Now, they are also on an organic path to $75 million in revenue. The way they are going to do this is with their impressive production lines. The North production line is projected to do about $25 million. The South production line is projected to do about $23 million, and the East production line is projected to do about $24 million. So if you add all those numbers up, it's about $75 million, which is quite impressive, especially when you factor in the market cap of this company. There is a lot of potential here. Now take a look at this graph. This is their unit level gross margin by upgrade buckets. It is over 33% in margin, and the more upgrades a customer adds, the higher the margin. It is a very lucrative model. Now they also have brand new muscle car acquisition. This will help meaningfully expand the total addressable market of ECD, and they are on track to deliver products in the second half of 2024. Furthermore, they have a licensing agreement to produce branded Toyota FJ SUVs. This further expands the total addressable market. Overall, this is a very impressive company. Now let's turn our attention to the stock chart. So I think the current level the stock is trading at is very tempting, especially when you compare their potential revenue and market cap. The current trading price seems like a potential discount in my opinion. Obviously, do your own research, but personally, I'm really impressed with what they are accomplishing and the fact that they are continuing to make massive strides. This could be the perfect time to start researching this company. So if you haven't done so already, add ECD Automotive Design Inc. to your watch list immediately. Once again, guys, here is the ticker symbol. I will have some links in the video description if you want to learn more about this exciting opportunity. With that said, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that that like button. I really would appreciate it. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new so you don't miss out on future updates. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice. Video is only for entertainment purposes. You should never make any decisions to buy, hold, or sell stocks based on this video.